These bitches is fucking for 10 G's. She lucky she got it, I'm stingy. But she remind me of Tambi. I told her to jump on my Sandies. Ragga, 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 ragga. Ragga, ragga, ragga.
Like, I'll even skip the greeting because I have a major announcement to get to. It's so big. This announcement is so big that you might have to clear your thoughts to accommodate what I'm about to tell you guys. It's so big that as I thought about it, I even started getting goosebumps on my skin because that's how big it is. It's so big that I can't even tell you guys about it. But what I can do is I can tell you what the announcement is. The announcement is, drumroll please. Every single Friday I'll be releasing a new video. I don't know what, actually I can't tell you guys what every video is gonna be about because we have like 30 weeks left in the year. But every single Friday a new video will be up on the Hype K channel. So make sure every Friday you check if there's a new video up. There will be a new video up, but they just might be late. You know, late nights, hotline, bling, boy, bling, gold, ching, hey, looking like a better ding, ding, ding. Ooh, somebody tell Drake I'm on one. Okay, now since I got the major announcement out, we can get into the sneaker. If you guys watched the last video, I will link it down below in the description. I went shopping at Sandton City and I didn't tell you guys what sneaker I got. Well, this is the sneaker I got. It's a Nike Air Force One box as you see, and you only saw two Nike Air Force One. So is it the black one or the white one? Comment down below what you think, but I'm gonna show you guys. But just guess, take a guess for a few 5 seconds. I'll wait for you guys. Ain't nobody got time like that, but let's just get into the sneak. So as you guys can see, we got the Nike Air Force One box. Every single Nike Air Force comes out in this box. Every, unless it's a Supreme or a special collaboration, it comes out in this box. If your Air Force One doesn't come out in this box, then it's a fake. It's a fake, fan. At the end of the day, it's an Air Force One box. It should look like this, unless it's a Supreme Air Force, which I don't know how the box looks, but 80% chance it looks like this. So let's get into the sneaker. Every time I buy a shoe, why can't they just give me a proper thing? Like packaging, guys, come on. Bam, we got that Air Force One 92. It doesn't have a specific name. The reason why I call it the Air Force 92 is because inside it says 1992 and I just said 92. So I'm kind of smart, so I named my own shoe. It's not my shoe, but you get what I'm saying. Bam, let's get into the detail. As you guys can see, the leather on the shoe is just stunning. It's nice, it's beautiful, it's magnificent. The color is like a safe color because it doesn't have one solid color, so it's like you can play with the outfit. There will be an e-combo video for this shoe. I'll be bringing on a friend to do some creative work, to work some fashion, and we will be doing the e-combo for the Air Force One. As you guys can see here by the tongue, it says Nike Air at the back with the 5-star CD. I don't know why it says that, but it says it nevertheless. With the tips of the laces, it says Nike Air. There's just one thing I don't like about the shoe. It doesn't have that Nike Air tab here. And every Air Force One should have that Nike Air tab. So come on, Nike. Where is it, guys? Maybe is it a fake? Nah, but it's 14. So as you guys see, you got that Air Force One. I'm comparing it to my other Air Force One to see whether they mess up or something. So let's just get into that. So as you guys can see, this is my red Air Force. At the back it has that Nike Air and it has that Air Force One tab. But compared to this one, it's different. But let me know which one you think is better. This is the review for this Air Force 92. That's a hot name. Unfortunately, that brings us to the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down, let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Should have I went with the white color or the black color? Let me know what you guys think. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below. Don't forget, a new video every Friday. Every single Friday there's a new video up. So let me know what you guys think about that. Is it too much? Is it the perfect thing? Would it allow you guys to accumulate your data? Let me know what you guys think. This is boy Hype K. Show me love, K. That's just the way it goes. This is the way it goes. Oh, hari-hari.